everyone. Say hello, ma'am. How are you? You all are fine? Very nice. So, how's your summer vacation going? You all attending your summer camp? No? Why? There are so much fun. There are lots of activities, lots of fun games. You all have to attend it, okay? So, as your summer vacation has started, so we are going to perform some activities to boost your energy, your mental health, your physical health. So, I have a very interesting thing for all of you today. So, in today's class, I am going to teach you to make your own mini projector. Make your own mini projector. Why we are doing this? Why we are making the mini projector? As we all know, we all are quarantined in our houses. We all are quarantined. Now we all are staying at home. We are not able to go outside, play outdoor games. So in today's class, we are going to make our own mini projector to play our own game, ताकि हम अपने खुद गेम बना सकें. And we do lot of fun in our house, ताकि हम अपने घर में बहुत सारे गेम्स खेल सके, उनसे बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज कर सके, अपने सिबलिंग्स के साथ, अपने ब्रदर सिस्टर के साथ हम वो गेम खेल सके. So class, today we are going to make a mini projector. What are we going to make? We are going to make a mini projector. So what is the benefit of this activity? The benefit of this activity is it gives you a creative idea. कि आपको क्या देता है? एक क्रिएटिव आइडिया देता है कि आप कैसे एक किसी भी घर के सामान से बहुत क्रिएटिव चीज को बना सकते हो. नंबर 2, वी आर मेकिंग दिस एक्टिविटी विद द वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स. जो हमारे घर में वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट होते हैं, हम अपनी एक्टिविटी वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट से बना रहे हैं. ओके. नंबर 3, it is a fun game which we can play at our home with our siblings and our friends, family. Okay, ये एक गेम है जिससे कि हम किस में बना रहे हैं? अपने घर में. नंबर 4, it helps us to see the light and the darkness. ओके, जब हम लाइट बंद करते हैं, डार्कनेस हो जाती है ना, तो हम उसके थ्रू ये चीज़ें देखेंगे. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द लाइट एंड द डार्कनेस. Now, the material required for this activity. The material required is cellophane sheet, rubber band, marker, and a waste foiled cardboard. Okay, everyone? So let's get start our activity without wasting time. Are you all excited? Very good. So let's start our activity. Class, as I told you, we are doing this activity with the waste material. So I have this cardboard, round cardboard, which is basically a foil cardboard. I've cut it. You can use the tissue paper roll or you can use the disposal glass also. The plastic sheet, we all have this plastic sheet at our home, which is of no use. One rubber band, marker, and scissor. So let's start making our mini projector. Are you ready, everyone? Very good. This is the roll, cardboard roll. Now we have to cut this sheet into a small square with the help of scissor. Like this. Very good. To give it a more attractive look, you can color this roll, okay, and write your name on it. Like I'm doing, I'm using some acrylic paint. You can use watercolor color also to color this. I'm using blue color. so that it will look more attractive and colorful also. Color this, color it like this. Finish coloring with the help of the paintbrush. You can choose whatever color you like. Okay, everyone? Now keep it aside until it dry. Till then, take your cellophane sheet. With the help of marker, draw whatever you like. You can draw whatever you like. आपको जो पसंद है आप वो draw करेंगे. Like I am making a flower with the help of this marker. Like this. मैम ने क्या बनाया है? एक flower बनाया है. You can draw whatever you like. Very good. You can make so many designs, like I am making star on the other and some dots. And you can write some letter also, like I am writing D. You can make your own patterns on the cellophane sheet. Now our color is dry. Now you have to take this cellophane sheet, place it like this and secure it with the help of rubber band. Secure it with the help of rubber band. Like this. Or you can secure it with the help of sellotape also. आप sellotape से भी इसको secure कर सकते हैं. As I told you, you can write your own name here, okay, with the help of the marker, so that if you have siblings, अगर आपके भाई बहन हैं तो आपके जो प्रोजेक्टर हैं वो मिक्स नहीं होंगे. अगर वो मिसप्लेस भी हो जाएंगे, so you will know that कि ये वाला आपका है. So now we are going to test our mini projector. How we are going to test it? हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे फोन की फ्लैश लाइट या फिर टॉर्च की लाइट क्या करेंगे, ऑन करेंगे थ्रू दिस एंड वी कैन यूज इट एट द वॉल. और हम इसको किस पे यूज करेंगे, वॉल पे. सो लेट्स सी. नाउ प्लेस योर फोन फ्लैश लाइट ऑन दिस hole. As you can see that there is a star visible on the wall. Let's see it without light. Woohoo! This is our mini projector. This is the star we make in our cellophane sheet. You can use any pattern you want. Let's see the another one. This is our flower pattern. You can make your own mini projector. You can make some drawings. You can write your name and you can play with this with your friends, siblings and your parent. So class, this is our mini projector which we make with the recycled things like cellophane sheet, paper roll, rubber band and a marker. Make your own mini projector and make a small video of yourself. Send it to me to show me what you can do with it. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay safe and stay at home.